Children, in today's class, we shall start with exercise 4.2. In this exercise, we shall construct the quadrilaterals when two diagonals and three sides are given to us. Okay? Let us begin with question number 1, first part. Construct a quadrilateral LIFT when LI is 4 centimeters, IF is 3 centimeters, TL is 2.5 centimeters, LF is 4.5 centimeters and IT is 4 centimeters. Okay. So before constructing the quadrilateral, we must always draw the rough figure. Okay. So I draw the rough figure. This is just a tentative figure. It has nothing to do with the actual figure, the shape and the measurements. Okay. Now I write here L, I, F and T. Okay. Now what is given to us? Li is 4 centimeters. Write Li 4 centimeters. IF is 3 centimeters. Write IF 3 centimeters. TL is 2.5 centimeters. Write here 2.5 centimeters. Now LF is 4.5 centimeters. See, LF 4.5. So join this LF. Okay. This is 4.5 centimeters. ठीक है. And IT is 4 centimeters. Let us make IT. This is IT. IT is how much? This is given to us 4 centimeters. Alright. So we now know the measurements of the rough figure. This is our rough figure. This will help us to construct the actual figure. Now it is given LI is 4 centimeters. So what we do? We take a scale and draw the length Li equal to 4 centimeters. See here, this is 4 centimeter mark and this is 0 mark, right? So I draw a line segment of measure 4 centimeters and name it Li. Is this clear? Now see, it is given IF is 3 centimeters. So we will measure 3 centimeter mark on the ruler. This is our ruler. This is 3 centimeter mark and this is 0 mark. So we put the tip of the compass at 3 centimeter mark and tip of the pen or pencil at 0 centimeter mark. See, this is 3 centimeter. Alright. Now you place the tip of the compass at I and draw an arc of measure 3 centimeters. Alright. Now see here, LF is how much? 4.5 centimeters. See here, this point shows 4.5 centimeter mark and this is 0 centimeter mark. So put the tip of the compass at 4.5 centimeter mark and tip of the pen at 0 mark. See, this is 4.5 centimeters. Now put your tip of the compass at L and with the radius 4.5 centimeters draw another arc. See, this arc. Alright. These two arcs intersect each other at point F. This is point F. Right. Now we will join IF and LF. IF and LF. Okay. Now write the measurements. IF is what? 3 centimeters. Right here 3 centimeters. LF is how much? 4.5 centimeters. So right here 4.5 centimeters. This li we had already drawn for 4 centimeters length. Okay. Now see here, lt is how much? 2.5 centimeters. So take the scale, measure 4.5 centimeters in it. This is 2.5 centimeter mark. Place the tip of the compass at 2.5 centimeter mark and tip of the pen at 0 mark. See, this is 2.5. Now you place your compass at L and with the radius 2.5 centimeters, draw an arc. Clear? Now you see IT is how much? It is 4 centimeters. So see the 4 centimeter mark on the scale, it is here. Put the tip of the compass at 4 centimeter mark and tip of the pen at 0 centimeter mark. 0. Now see, measure. This is 4 centimeters. Okay. So with I as center and radius 4 centimeters, draw another arc which cuts the previous arc at point T. This point is T, marked here. Now what we will do, we will join TF and we will join TL. Okay. Let us join TF and let us join TL. Okay, write the measurements. TL is 2.5 centimeters. Okay, and also join TI. Okay, this TI is 4 centimeters. This TI, this is TI is 4 centimeters. Thus we have constructed the quadrilateral LIFT of the given measurements. Now let us see the steps of construction here. Draw a line segment LI equal to 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeters. With I as center and radius 3 centimeters, draw an arc. With I as center and radius 3 centimeters, draw an arc. With L as center, radius 4.5 centimeters, draw another arc. Draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at point F. Join LF. And join IF. Again with LS center and radius 2.5 centimeters, draw an arc. You have drawn an arc. Again with IS center, radius 4 centimeters. Draw another arc. Intersecting the previous arc at point T. Join LT, join IT, join TF. ठीक है? Thus LIFT is the required quadrilateral constructed. Is this clear? Okay, now let us start the second part of this question. This is the second part of the question. In this, we have to construct a quadrilateral GOLD when OL is 7.5 centimeters, GL is 6 centimeters, GD is 6 centimeters, LD is 5 centimeters and OD is 10 centimeters. Okay. So what do? We draw again the rough figure. Any rough figure I have drawn. Okay. Now I name it G, O, L and D. Okay. Now we write down the measurements. it is given OL is 7.5 centimeters. So here I write OL 7.5 centimeters. Now given GL is 6 centimeters. First draw GL. This is GL. This is given how much? This is given to us 6 centimeters. Okay. Now GD is 6 centimeters. This is GD. GD 6 centimeters. Given LD is 5 centimeters. Write down LD 5 centimeters. Also it is given OD is 10 centimeters. So let us draw OD. This is OD, and how much it is given? It is given 10 centimeters, right? So what we have done? We have made a rough figure. Okay. This rough figure will help us to construct the actual figure, right? So we begin with drawing LD equal to 5 centimeters. Let us take the scale. And draw LD equal to 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. I name this as L and D. Okay. Now what is given? See, DG is equal to 6 centimeters. So what I do? I take DG equal to 6 centimeters. On the scale, let us measure 6 centimeters, tip of the compass at 6 centimeter mark and tip of the pen at 0 centimeter mark. See here. This is 6 centimeters. Now place your tip of the compass at D, and with the radius 6 centimeters, you draw an arc. Clear? Now see, LG is how much? LG is again 6 centimeters. Now with L as center and radius 6 centimeters, you draw an arc. Okay. Let these two arcs intersect at point G. Clear? Now we will join DG and LG. Let us join. DG and LG. Okay. Now LO is how much? 7.5 centimeters. So on the compass measure 7.5 centimeters. See here, this is 7.5 centimeter mark. So put the tip of the compass here at 7.5 centimeter mark and tip of the pen at 0 mark. See, this is 7.5. All right. So place your tip of the compass at L, and with the radius 7.5 centimeter mark, you draw an arc. All right. Now we see that OD is how much? OD is 10 centimeters. So let us place the tip of the compass at 10 centimeter mark and tip of the pen at 0 centimeter mark. Now with D as a center and the radius 10 centimeters, draw an arc which cuts the previous arc at point O. This point is O. Alright, now we will join GO and we will join OL. Let us join. OL we have joined. Now we'll join GO. We have joined GO. Okay. Write the measurements. Also join OD. Okay. Write the measurements. See, LD we had made 5 centimeters. GD we made 6 centimeters. Then LO we made 7.5 centimeters. Okay. Now OD we made 10 centimeters right here. 10 centimeters. Now LG we made 6 centimeters right here. 6 centimeters. Children, you should write the measurements side by side. I forgot, that is why I am writing it at the end, but as you make, you write the measurements. Okay. So we have constructed the quadrilateral GOLT of the required measurements. All right. Now let us start with the steps of construction and tally. Draw a line segment LD equal to 5 centimeters. See, LD is 5 centimeters. With D as a center and radius 6 centimeters, draw an arc. With D as a center and radius 6 centimeters, you have drawn an arc. Now with L as a center and radius 6 centimeter. With L as a center and radius 6 centimeter, draw another arc. Draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at point G. Join LG and join DG. Join LG and join DG. Okay. Now with LS center. Now with LS center and radius 7.5 centimeter and radius 7.5 centimeter, draw an arc. We have drawn an arc. With D as a center. With the D as a center and radius 10 centimeter and radius 10 centimeter, draw another arc. Draw another arc intersecting the previous arc. Intersecting the previous arc at point O. At point O. Join LO. Join LO. Join DO. Join DO. Join OG. Join OG. Okay. Thus GOLD is the required quadrilateral constructed. Thus GOLD is the required quadrilateral constructed. Clear hai? Okay. Now we shall start with the third part of the question. This is the third part of the question. Okay? In this question, what we have to do? We have to construct a quadrilateral, that is rhombus BE and D. When BN is 5.6 centimeters and DE is 6.5 centimeters. Okay. So now again we draw the rough figure in this. Okay. I am trying to draw the rhombus, approximate. Not actually was not required, but I have drawn it. Okay. Let us name it B E N D. This is the rough figure. Okay. Now we have been given what? BN is 5.6, this BN, this is 5.6 centimeters, and DE is 6.5, DE is, this is 6.5. ठीक है, अब देखो मुझे ये रोम्बस कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है. दिस इज माई रफ फिगर. ठीक है, अब साइड्स तो दी नहीं है, तो जो भी करना है हमें ये दो डायगोनल्स के साथ ही करना है. अब रोम्बस में क्या होता है, डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर मतलब दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस, राइट. तो अगर मैं इसको 6.5 सेंटीमीटर्स ले लेती हूँ, फिर मैं इसका परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बना करके ये वाली लाइन मिल जाती है मुझे. तो मैं 5.6 को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर सकती हूँ. 5.6 को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करने का मतलब 5.6 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 तो आता है 2.8. मतलब हम 2.8 ऊपर ले सकते हैं, 2.8 नीचे ले सकते हैं. तो ये वाली लेंथ हमारे को बराबर मिल जाएगी. लेकिन अगर हमने उल्टा कर दिया का मतलब जहाँ 6.5 लिया था वहाँ पे हमने 5.6 ले लिया. फिर हमने परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बना दिया. परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर का मतलब दोनों ये दो तो इक्वल हो गए. अब मुझे 6.5 अगर ये वाली बनानी है तो आधा आधा कैसे डिवाइड करूँ 6.5 को. जब मैं 6.5 को हाफ करूँगी तो 6.5 डिवाइड बाई 2 क्या हो जाएगा. देखो 2 3 6, 5 आया, 2 2 4, 1 आया, 2 5 10, मतलब 3.25 आया. ऊपर 3.25, नीचे 3.25. तो 3.25 तो स्केल से निकालना बड़ा मुश्किल है. तो इसलिए हम क्या करते हैं, ये DE को 6.5 लेते हैं. तो जब हम परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बनाएंगे तो जो 6.5 है दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में अपने आप डिवाइड हो जाएगी. ठीक है, और ये वाली के लिए हम, ये तो इवन नंबर है तो ये हाफ हाफ पार्ट्स में हो ही सकता है. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड. तो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन. यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया अच्छे से. नाउ सी हियर, first I draw DE equal to 6.5 सेंटीमीटर्स. अब ये देखो 6.5 सेंटीमीटर्स का मार्क, ये है 6.5 सेंटीमीटर का मार्क और ये 0 मार्क. तो हम एक लाइन सेगमेंट बनाएंगे DE विच इज इक्वल टू 6.5 सेंटीमीटर्स. ठीक है, नाउ we make the perpendicular bisector of this line segment. अब perpendicular bisector बनाने के लिए हम ये आर्क कितना मेजर करें, that should be always more than half of 6.5. मतलब 6.5 का आधा 3.25 होता है. तो हम जो रेडियस लेंगे इस कंपास का 3.25 से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. तो ये कोई आपको ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप उसे मेजर करके लो, आप अंदाज से ले सकते हो. कहीं आप ये देखो, आपको पता ही लग रहा होगा कि ये आधे से ज़्यादा है. ठीक है ना, तो ऐसे हम ले लेते हैं. अब हम क्या करते हैं, विद E एज अ सेंटर एंड रेडियस मोर देन हाफ ऑफ 6.5 सेंटीमीटर, आई ड्रॉ वन आर्क अबव द सेगमेंट एंड वन आर्क बिलो द सेगमेंट. ठीक है, सिमिलरली विद D एज अ सेंटर and the same radius, draw one arc above the segment and another arc below the segment. ठीक है, now I will join and see these two arcs, they intersect at X and Y. All right, now I join them. XY को ज्वाइन करके एक्सटेंड कर लेते हैं. ये ओके. नाउ ये अब जो हमारी दूसरी डायगोनल है वो कितनी है, 5.6. तो ये पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन हो गया. हम इस पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन को मार्क कर देते हैं O. अब ON और OB शुड बी हाफ हाफ 5.6 का 5.6 का हाफ कितना होता है 2.8. So we take the radius of 2.8 centimeters. ये देखो ये है 2.8 यहाँ पे. Let us use different color. देखो 2.8, right? Put your compass at O and with the radius 2.8 centimeters you draw one arc above and you draw one arc below. Are you getting? See, one arc is below and another arc is here, above DE and below DE. Clear? So now these points will be marked. This point will be B and this point will be N. Okay? So now you join DN, EN, EB and BD. Let us join it. This is BD. This is DN and this is NE. ठीक है. This BN length is 5.6 centimeters. ठीक है. So we have constructed the quadrilateral rhombus of the given measurement. You put the arrows to represent it line. Okay. Now let us see the steps of construction. Draw a line segment DE equal to 6.5 centimeters. This is 6.5 centimeters. With the D as a center and radius more than half of 6.5 centimeter, draw one arc above DE and one arc below DE. With the D and E as centers and radius more than half of 6.5, draw one arc above and one arc below the segment. Similarly, with E as a center and the same radius, draw one arc above DE and one arc below. पहले हमने क्या किया था, D पर कंपास रख करके और रेडियस मोर देन 6.5 से एक आर्क ऊपर बनाया था और एक आर्क नीचे बनाया था. अब क्या करेंगे, विद E एज अ सेंटर एंड द सेम रेडियस एक आर्क ऊपर बनाएंगे और एक आर्क नीचे बनाएंगे. ठीक है. And these two arcs are intersecting at points X and Y. Intersecting the previous arc at point X and Y. Join XY. Join XY. Intersecting DE at O. Intersecting this DE at O. Now with O as a center. Now with O as a center and radius 2.8 centimeters. ये वाला radius यहाँ से ये 2.8 centimeter है और ये भी 2.8 centimeter. Draw one arc above and below DE. O पर कंपास रख के one arc above and one arc below DE बनाएंगे. Intersecting XY at N and B. Intersecting XY at N and B. Join DN. Join DN, NE, EB and BD. Thus BE and D is the rhombus constructed. Thus BE and D is the rhombus constructed. Is this clear, children? So for today we close here only with these three parts. In the next class we shall start with the next exercise.